Lease management with a property management software. Managing a property can be a challenging task, especially when it comes to lease management. Property managers need to keep track of a variety of details, including lease agreements, rent collection, maintenance requests, and financial records. Fortunately, with the help of property management software, lease management has never been easier. Manage everything in one place. One of the key benefits of property management software is that it enables property managers to manage all of their lease agreements in one place. This includes lease start and end dates, monthly rent amounts, security deposits, and any special provisions. With all of the information easily accessible, property managers can quickly and efficiently manage their lease agreements. Keep track of important dates. Another benefit of property management software is that it allows property managers to track lease expiration dates. By setting up automated reminders, property managers can ensure that they never miss an important deadline. This makes it easy to renew or terminate leases as needed, without having to spend hours poring over paperwork. Rent collection made easy. Rent collection is another important aspect of lease management, and property management software can make this process a breeze. Tenants can easily make payments online, and property managers can track payments and outstanding balances with ease. This not only saves time, but it also helps to ensure that rent is paid on time, which is crucial for maintaining positive landlord-tenant relationships. Maintenance requests made quick. Property management software also makes it easy for tenants to submit maintenance requests through an online portal. This allows property managers to track and address maintenance requests in a timely manner, and it also helps to ensure that tenants are satisfied with the condition of their properties. Accounting made simple. Finally, property management software makes it easy to keep track of financial records. This includes expenses, income, and other financial details related to the property. With all of this information easily accessible, property managers can make informed decisions about their properties, and they can also generate reports that help them to identify areas of improvement. In short, property management software is an invaluable tool for anyone who manages rental properties. It streamlines lease management, rent collection, maintenance requests, and financial record keeping, making it easy to manage properties efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned property manager or just starting out, property management software can help you to succeed in this competitive field. A great example of an awesome property management software is DoorLoop. Click the link in the description to learn more about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more property management content. Also, check out these videos. Thank you and have an amazing day.